Duraflex gives you peace of mind having an industry-leading aero styling product. Rest assured, you're getting one of the highest quality fiberglass materials at the most affordable price. Give your vehicle the styling and durability that it deserves. Duraflex products are finished with a high-quality black primer to ensure the best finished product possible. You'll also find our unique mesh grille, hardware kit, and an installation guide to assist in the installation of your parts. Duraflex combines fiberglass, plastic, and flex resins to obtain its unique features. Because of these features, Duraflex technology obtains a much higher durability rate than the average fiberglass product, resulting in reduced shipping damages of up to 75%. This revolutionary product allows for a premium fiberglass product at an affordable price.
I've put Duraflex products through plenty of abuse. I rely on Duraflex in every competition to keep my car looking at its best, regardless of what happens. Duraflex Aero takes a beating and still holds its shape. They really are some amazing products. When it comes to the Aero that goes on my car, there's no question it's Duraflex.
All Duraflex products shipped from our headquarters are expertly packed to ensure a safe trip from our warehouse to your door. When you see the Duraflex logo on the bag, you know your parts were prepared to industry-leading standards. Ease of installation is a top priority in every Duraflex product that we manufacture. All hand-laid fiberglass products require minimal sanding, prepping, and finishing, but when installed by a professional body shop with experience in aftermarket aero, Duraflex provides you with that show-quality look and excellent durability. Style, durability, affordability, Duraflex gives you it all. There are a lot of aftermarket aero choices out there. There's only one true Duraflex.